Hello and welcome to the Workplace Experience Learning Modular about interior design. I am Carrie Smith and the trainer for the interior design modular in the extended course within the Workplace Experience. So today I'd like to share with you some high level preview of what that sixth course would look like as we dive deeper into interior design in the training modular. So I first want to start off giving that definition of interior design. And within this course, we're focusing on corporate interior design. So this is really focusing around the design of a corporate office space for its unique corporation, which aligns with the business needs, goals, and objectives. So we'll start off with understanding that basic idea and principle of corporate interior design, and then we'll go a little bit deeper on discussing high-level trends and things that we're seeing shifting throughout this practice as well. And as we think a little bit more about what is that purpose of interior design, I look at it, it is that creative way and try to be very purposeful with the physical place that people come together to work, to connect, and to collaborate within their and connection to their corporate culture. And we have seen this huge shift happening. It is becoming this physical hub for organizations for that connection to them, their culture, and their people. So within this, we will focus on what are those different types of interior design, and then what are those purposeful items that we really look to support employees within the built environment. And then we'll do a deeper dive on what does that process look like for interior design, especially as you're someone supporting in different workplace experience fields. This is a great time to understand what are those different processes and where you can connect with that interior designer to ensure that there's that connection and that you're a part of that process to make sure that your piece of workplace experience is brought through the design of that physical environment. So as I look and we'll talk through how interior design truly touches all of the different connecting points within workplace experience. I have found that interior design tends to be the glue that truly holds all of the workplace experiences together, and it's what brings those elements to life in the physical work environment. So I'll walk through how each of these connect to interior design so then you can learn about that and ensure that you've got that connection point with interior design as well. Then we dive deeper into and talk about the different trends, especially with hybrid. We have learned that through this pandemic and as things are shifting, work is what we do and not where we go. So interior design has been very critical to understanding what are those different elements. We need to now earn that commute and make sure people realize what is that value of coming into the physical environment and then be very purposeful at hand of creating that new workplace for them and that experience. We'll focus a little bit on some of the shifts that we've are seeing through interior design within corporate design, which is around connection, supporting each other, both collaboration and individual. Thinking about being that purposeful place that people come together and that connection of services, technology, security, DEI in the physical workplace. So again, all of these things coming together, and then really making sure that the environment when people come in is incredibly integrated as hybrid focuses both the digital and the physical world and how that can be represented within the conference rooms and different collaboration spaces and even at different individual work points. And then as we get towards the end and final courses within the training module, we're focused on what are those KPIs within interior design so that you'll be able to measure that success for interior design, especially and connecting it back to your business goals and priorities. And then we'll share finally some lessons learned that I've experienced through many past projects throughout my career related to corporate interior design and how critical and important it is to have that connecting point to all the other workplace experience functions. Well, thank you so much. And I really hope that I get to see you in the larger course with interior design. And I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much.